1, 2, 3, funk it.
So welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, make sure before you go to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so every time I post, you guys can get my post notifications. So today I'm gonna be taking you guys along my day out a lot, honestly, in a way where I'm doing things for myself, like seeing my mom and, you know, getting my hair done and all of that good stuff. So this is the new hair look. It's been in my hair now for like 2 days, so honestly I have to like style it again. But it is currently 9:54 a.m. I'm gonna be driving back to New York. Oh my god, guys, by the way, I'm breaking out so bad. If anyone knows how to like help postpartum acne, because that's a thing, so I heard, let me know please, because I need to clear up my skin like ASAP. Which it's not bad, it's just right here and like right here, but still I don't like that. So the baby is all ready to go. My house is kind of messy, so I'm kind of annoyed that I'm leaving my house messy, but when I come home I'm going to be doing like a deep cleaning, like sweeping, mopping, and all of that good stuff. And then I have Noah in the room, which I got to put his shoes on so that we can go. But yeah, I'm going to be going to get my eyelashes done, because as you can see, my lashes look crazy right now. And I keep going to different people. I'm currently just trying different people out, I guess you can say. And it's not that like I don't like people's like work, it's just that I'm the type of person, like, well, especially now having the kids, like when I need my lashes done, I need them done that second, because I don't know when I could get my lashes done again. Like I don't have like a babysitter or anything like that, so like everything is kind of on like my timing, if that makes sense. But anyway, so I'm going to leave the house now. I started my car. I didn't eat breakfast, neither did Noah, so we're gonna go get breakfast on the way out. And yeah, I might get my nails done and my lashes done for sure. That is like the main thing that I need done, because they're looking wild right now. But yeah, so I will see you guys in just a bit, and yeah. So I just dropped the kids off. I spent a little time in there. They're actually at my aunt's house. So I am now gonna go get my nails done, you know, do something for myself. My eyelashes are looking absolutely crazy, so I gotta find something to like take my eyelashes off, because I just cannot be walking around like this. Like, this is ridiculous at this point. But yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. These are what my nails currently look like. I don't know if you guys can see, they definitely need a filling, but I'm gonna actually get a new set because I just can't. And my pinky toenail came off on my left foot, so I'm just like annoyed, because I'm like, how the hell did this happen?
Like she said, what you know about love? It's just you and me. Mother, type to make your baby man.
All right, so my hair is really looking crazy. Like, I gotta blend this shit like ASAP. But I got my nails done. I picked up some tropical smoothie. If you know anything about this, you know that it's amazing. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get a car wash, and I'm gonna go check Home Goods and see if they have any good shit in there, because I need to get a new knife set and just want to look at some clothes for Noah. I don't really shop in there for myself. I don't really like the clothes for women in there. And I just want to get some like lashes just to fill this in until I do get my lashes done. So yeah, a little chit chat. So, honestly, I've been like kind of going through different emotions in the aspect where like I don't really like, okay, how the fuck is anyone possibly supposed to fit in here? Like how? Please tell me. Who parks right there? A big ass car. I don't understand. Like who does that? Pisses me off. It's not even a fucking parking spot. Alright, anyway, I cursed way too much in one sentence. Like, I don't like this parking place at all. But, you know, like, I was literally pregnant for 10 months. And you lose yourself a little bit. Like, you don't feel like you're in your body. That's definitely how I felt. I definitely didn't feel like I was in my body. After having her, like, I still was in a depression. I just felt like nothing was right. And like now I feel like I'm definitely getting in a better mindset and feeling a lot better about things, which I'm extremely happy about because you know, I didn't want to feel like that anymore. Like every day I would wake up and just be like, why do I feel like this? Like how can I feel better or whatever? So I realized that I needed to do something for myself. And you know, what I want to do is expensive, but if I have the money for it, why not do it? And I never treat myself, like I never buy myself anything, ever. Like if I'm always thinking about everyone else. I'm thinking about Ariane, or I'm thinking about Noah or Adeline, and you know, and obviously that's normal as a mom, like that's just how you feel and that's okay. But you also need to think about yourself and you can't forget about yourself. So honestly, I'm really not trying to take too long because I just want to go back home and clean the house. So, should I even go in here? I'm not even going to go in here. It's honestly pointless to go in here. I'm just going to go to Target, which is right across the street. So I've been trying to make an appointment for my lashes, and I did have an appointment yesterday, but it never ended up working out. So, yeah, that's just the tea. So, now I do feel a lot better about myself. And I'm not saying changing your appearance is going to make you feel better. Like, because, you know, that's not the case for everyone. But I just wanted to do something for myself and make myself feel pretty. Back from Target, I didn't really get much. But I bought these lashes because, like I said, I'm not going to be able to get my lashes done for a few days. Oh, shit. Oh, my God, guys. Everything is going wrong. But it's this Elore London lashes, and I think they're magnetic. 5, reusable up to 8 times. 18-hour wear. On the base of your lashes. I guess so, under. Okay. Well, we're going to try this. We're going to see how this works. Oops. This was really expensive too, by the way. This was like, how do I take this out? So I am home now and I just have a bunch of things to do. Like I need to clean the entire house, then I want to shower. So I'm just organize this area right here. And we're gonna go from there. Fun fact about me, I don't know how to make, like, I do know how to make rice from scratch, but it never comes out perfect. So when I do it in my rice cooker, it comes out perfect. I put 1 cup and like 1/3 of water. Okay. So I got a cup of rice here. Okay. I'm like, so check it. Do you see how good the rice came out? Like, perfect. So it's on warm mode now, so that's gonna keep my rice warm. And then the salmon is cooking right now in some olive oil, some soy sauce, some garlic, and adobo. So that is that. Yeah, I'm trying to take TikTok a little serious because you can really make good money on there, and like it's a fun thing, you know? So right now I'm at 89K on there. It's definitely a bit different than Instagram, you know? You could go more viral there. But one thing I noticed, and let me know if this is true, ladies or guys from TikTok, once you sign up for the Creators Fund, your views like go like down. Like I used to get like hundreds and a lot of views, honestly, and that all slowed down once I signed up for the Creators Fund, and I feel like they just don't want me to make money on this. What's wrong, baby? This is shirt? But let me show you guys what I got from, well, I got the salmon and the broccoli and all that from Target. It's actually very affordable. The salmon was like $12 for 3 of them. Yeah, 3 of them, but they're like actually good quality salmon, you know? So that's that. Full of snacks. Noah, look at what mommy bought you. Let me see. I got some chocolates for my cravings, some Twizzlers for my cravings. Oh, my son is seeing it. He's gonna want it. Some chips. Alright, then I got this pen. It's a lift and snatch, which I'm gonna try this. I'm excited to try this. And then I got an eyebrow pencil, some facial wipes, cleansing wipes, and then more broccoli and cauliflower. Yeah, that's YC. So I want to try this on camera. So let's see. Oh wow, this is like amazing. This is amazing. Like, I rate this 1,000,000 out of 1,000,000. You know what's crazy, guys? I was looking for a product just like this, and I found it. It like adds fake hair without making it look fake. Amazing, amazing. I messed up. Oh my god, I'm messing up. I'm messing up badly. But guys, look at how amazing this is. I put you guys on. I put you guys on. It's easy to like fix your mistakes too, so. Love this. Absolutely love this. This side doesn't really need much, but adding the fake hairs is like the best thing ever. Cause like when you color it in, like you could tell you colored it in, but with this, like you're just adding hairs, you know? Like look at that. So I'm eating now. There we go. The baby is sleeping. Noah is playing around. He's not eating yet. But I hope the salmon is cooked inside. Is this cooked? Salmon cooks easily though. So I seen this trick. In order to take your eyelash extensions off, you gotta put some olive oil on a cotton pad and like leave it on your eye a bit so I could like soften it. Is this a joke? Like, how beautiful is my baby? How beautiful is my girl? Oh my gosh, you're so beautiful, baby. You're so beautiful. You're so gorgeous. She's only 6 weeks old and look at her. Oh my goodness, oh my girl.
Mommy,
What?
boo-boo.
No boo-boo, where's boo-boo?
Where's boo-boo?
That's not a boo. Oh, the pimple. He sees the baby acne on her. He's eating some of his rice right now and all that stuff.
Oh, I want it.
So it is now the next day, and as you can see, I ripped out my eyelashes, so that's nice, right? But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. For me, I feel like the video was literally like all over the place, but whatever. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos because I have a lot of trending things coming up, and I will see you guys next time.